In today's video, we'll be fixing trailer ramp and making it even better. So stay tuned. All right, let me explain what we're gonna do here today, or what I'm doing here today. And that is, we'll be pushing this back in, tacking the mesh shit down, tacking it back down with welds. But to make this even stronger, because the support weight of something like this, and because the mesh ain't very strong on these ramps for zero turns like this, we'll be taking this 1/8 thickness angle iron. We'll be cutting it into strips, and it'll be welded in like this throughout the trailer, and that will stop it from bowing down. It'll give it a little bit more support. So let's head over to the shop. I already got the measurements. It's like 20 inches 7/16, so we'll get these cut out, bring it back. Gotta get them, bring the welder and stuff out here and prep the metal and weld it up. So let's get to the shop. Now I gotta prep all these, deburr them. So I'll meet y'all back at the trailer. Running out of daylight, but I got one side done over here. Got it all welded in. Now just gotta get this side over here done. I won't show in the video welding because I'm afraid of getting weld splatter on my GoPro. If I had a diving case, I would just use a diving case to keep it protected. But since I don't, but I'll pretty much show you what I've been doing here. Let me set my light down here for a second. So I've been grabbing the piece, fitting it in. Where is that tape? I just broke in right here, and I'm just trying to get it even on both sides so it don't turn out crooked. So hopefully y'all can see this. Like right now it's at 8.5 on this side and about 8.5 on that side. So this piece right here would be ready to go. And then I just move on down the line and weld them all up like that. And so anyway, let me get this side done and I will start it back and we can take a look at how it looks like after that. All right, hopefully y'all can see this. Got them done here. I'll get my welds cleaned off in the morning, or get it cleaned up with a wire brush in the morning. The owner just needs to take some black spray paint and paint it up. But that'll give support, so the wheels of this will meet right in there, and that'll give more support. So that's how I fix that. That's how I recommend fixing these ramps if you're going to put something heavier on that like that. So anyway guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the giveaway video. Later everyone, thanks for watching.